Hi, I'm Brandon Christopher, Light Marine Field Service Lead for Furuno USA. Today, we're going to talk about updating the software on your GP1871F or GP1971F. The process is the same for both. The easiest way, I feel, is to go to our website and go to the product page. So in the model number box, type in GP1871F or GP1971F, then click on the View Support / Tech Info button. From there, you can click on the Software tab, and you'll see where you can download the software, the instructions, which are really nice. They're colorized, they're step-by-step, show you everything you need to do. We also have release notes through there that tell you what is different about the version of software you are downloading. Once you've downloaded the software file, you'll need to unzip it and move the amp_update and upload folders to a 32 gigabyte or smaller micro SD card. Please follow the instructions step by step. That'll prevent anything from happening that you don't want. And again, like I mentioned, we're going to be using a micro SD card for that. Ensure that you back up your data. When you do updates, sometimes you may lose points routes, your user marks, and the way you have things set up. This makes it easier if you can restore that all from another card. And as I mentioned earlier, there's a release notes document that we'll have on there that'll show you everything new to that version. There may be some handy things that you weren't aware of. If doing this doesn't sound like something you want to do, getting the data from our website, putting it on the card, you can contact your dealer and order the software update kit from them. It'll be put on a card that we've already tested and ensure it works. That part number is 71F-UPG-SOF. And again, you can buy that directly from your dealer or have the dealer do the update for you if you're so inclined. The third way is that if you've kept your unit up to date, you should be able to connect to Wi-Fi at your home or marina and update to the latest version. So we're going to go ahead in this video and proceed with the update card version. So the first thing we do is open the door on the side here, and we'll insert the micro SD card into the slot. And then power the unit on. Press and hold the power button and you'll hear a beep and it'll come on. When it first comes up, you're going to see it start to unzip all the data that's in there and give you the option to begin update. So here we can see it is showing us what is on the card. Here we can see that bar moving across where it's exploring everything that's on the card, figuring out what is available to it and what it has inside of itself already. So now, of course, we see what's available, and we're going to say update now. So just touch it, and away it goes. You can see here, because we already have some parts of the update, that it's skipping them and going to the part that actually needs an update. As you're going through this process, it may look like nothing's happening, but I can assure you it is. As it states here right in the middle, ensure you do not power off the system or remove the SD card from the device during the update. It may take up to 10 to 20 minutes depending on how old your software revision is or how big of an update we have actually provided. Now that this portion of the update has completed, we'll press continue. Depending on the version, there may or may not be more pieces to update internally, such as the fish finder. As I just mentioned, it did indeed find an ES or echo sounder update. So we'll go ahead and press update now like we did before. And now it will go through, skip what it doesn't need, and load only what it does need. Okay, now we can see it says update completed successfully. Press continue to restart the system. Okay, now that our update is complete, we'll go ahead and remove the update card. And at this point, you can put in the mapping card that you've removed if you removed it. And I hope now you see how easy it is to keep your software on the latest and greatest version in your GP1871F or GP1971F. Again, for the software instructions, release notes, or the software itself, or for any information on any of our other products, please visit us at www.furunousa.com.